hands are like, I can't put her down. And then I look over and they're actually shaking. I'm like, can put her down?
No, she's good. Hey, Jenna. Look at how alert you are. Taking in the world around you. Linda. Little hiccups. Hiccups.
Little Jenna. Jenna.
Are you falling asleep already?
Nah.
What?
She was resting hard.
Okay. Oop.
Hiccups.
Alright, so
Mhm.
does she like feeding on her back or belly better? Do you guys know? Like,
I'm trying to remember if she was on her back most of the day.
Last night she was
Or was she on her tummy?
on her back when she was being fed. But
okay, so she probably
Last
tolerates
night.
her back better then. So we can go ahead and put her on her back.
Okay.
We can leave her on her back.
Let's go ahead and do that. All right, honey. There you go. I think there's the tube behind her.
Mm-hmm. Good catch, Mom.
Yeah.
And we're going the wrong way.
Oops. Here's your
Touch her belly real quick.
Your face.
Actually, while we're here, we can go ahead and weigh her too if you guys want.
Okay.
See if she gained any weight. Just need to look at what her last weight was. Are you guys okay on time?
Oh,
Yeah, we're
absolutely.
good.
We're
good.
good. We go with the flow.
Okay, perfect.
yeah.
Well,
Hey.
okay, so we're going to level off the bed.
Okay. Ooh. Oh, okay. I didn't even notice it was. That's why she was sliding down. It's like, why is she sinking?
So we keep them a little tilted so it's easier for them to breathe, so it's not
okay.
just like
Yeah,
all flat on them.
that's true. Good
And then we're
idea.
going to put everything on the bed
Okay.
because we weigh on the bed.
Okay.
So when we lift her, the bed weighs everything that's on it, and then when we put it down, they'll
Mhm.
subtract and give you a good estimate. But anything that's like straight could, we want it as accurate as possible.
I guess I should.
No, you're
remove
okay
my
for now.
hands. Okay.
Mm-hmm. I'll tell you when you have to. Okay. Oh, sorry, Mom.
It's okay.
Let me see what her last one was. So you know where the ballpark.
You know, hiccups.
Okay, so we are going to. Okay, so if you move your hands,
Mm-hmm.
and then when it says, it's going to say lift baby, so go ahead and lift her up.
There we go. Oh, sorry,
There we
sweetie pie.
go.
Sorry.
And lift her a little higher so nothing's touching.
What about the wires?
That's okay.
Oh, look at you, John.
Okay, and then you can put her back down.
There we go.
Okay. Move your hands.
Mhm.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
So do it
She's
one
getting-
more time because
Okay.
that's a little much.
Yeah, I was like, oh, wow.
So we'll see what
Gotcha.
if they just reweigh what they get.
It's even
Yeah.
more.
That's all right. All right, so we're gonna do it one more time.
No worries.
Let's make sure that we
Oh,
have
she's
everything.
got her hand on the cord. Nope, 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 nope.
Okay. All right. So you just need to, yeah. There you go.
Sorry about
No,
that.
you're okay. go ahead and lift her up.
Just want to get her head real good. Here we go.
And then, yeah, there you go. Make sure your arms aren't like on the bed. There you go. And then you can set her back down. And then just make sure that you're not
I think
leaning
the
on
cord
the bed
is
at all.
behind her, but we'll fix that later.
Okay, I like that.
All
That's
right.
better. So she gained. She was 1065.
Oh, good. She gained some.
Mm-hmm. We just like obviously we want her to gain, but we want it to be a realistic gain.
Right.
So
not
you know,
right.
2310 was not very
Right.
Now it
realistic.
says.
So what is that now?
So 1090. I have a chart.
You're gaining weight. Yay, Jenna.
Gaining.
Mm-hmm.
Jenna, you're gaining weight. Yes.
Hey, hey. It'd be awesome if she was 3 pounds. That'd be so cool.
It's about 2 pounds 7 ounces.
2.7. Okay.
2 pounds 7 ounces.
Hey,
All
we'll
right.
take it.
All right.
All right, so let's get her comfy and get this feed started. 'Cause I'm
Okay.
sure she's hungry.
Yeah, she's ready. She's like, I'm ready to gain 10 more.
Yeah. She's like, I could gain more if you guys feed me. All right. All right. Keep it nice and snug. You want your hands out?
Oh,
That's okay. So we actually prefer them. It's like a comfort mechanism for them.
Your hands against their face.
Because sometimes, like, I come in and the babies are like strapped down. I'm like, what? Who did this?
Where does the end of this one go?
So that just goes right under,
Oh, under. That's
Mhm.
right. Okay.
like that. And we like that frog position. So when she pushes, so this like resembles still being in the womb. When they push back on your belly, it gives them something to push back on. Otherwise, they're kind of like flailing,
Yeah.
and they don't really have boundaries, and they aren't comfortable with it.
Okay.
Gotta have those boundaries, Jenna.
Boundaries are good.
Okay. And go ahead and just put this around just because it looks pretty and hides those ugly wires.
Look at you.
Alright, and then because we moved her so much, I just like to make sure that the tube's in the right place
Okay.
before.
You're so cute.
Usually I can hear it over this thing. Perfect. She's like, hey, that's your warning. If you don't feed me soon, I'm going to get cranky.
Don't want Jennasaurus.
Jennasaurus.
Don't want that.
Baby pterodactyl.